Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Vogma Vmonster 2-in-1. This is a really cool product and I'll go over the reasons why. But you can see right here, this product has a suction and a blow feature. And this side I have added one of the components, but the thing is you can actually switch these out. So you can see right here with this red cap, this red cap was here on the other side, so I just removed it and I put this component on there. But I'm gonna go over the reasons why I like this product. So if you haven't already, please press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's gonna help out the channel so I create more videos like this for you all, so you are informed. So let's jump into it. The power button is right here on the back end. It is USB-C. So USB-C is phenomenal because that is the standard that all products are utilizing nowadays. There are other products that use micro USB and whatnot, which is kind of interesting because they're becoming obsolete. You're not able to find those cables lying around as much as USB-C due to smartphones and whatnot. But you can see right here, this is the power button. You switch it up and it turns it on. So let me go and turn it on right there. And you can see right here, this is the button to go through, and this is the battery percentage, about 75% battery remaining. But pressing this button goes through the power, how much power you want it to go through. So let me go ahead and press it. That's level 1, level 2, and level 3. And that's phenomenal that it provides you those levels. But it also gives you the ability to use different types of suction and cleaning components. So you can see right here, you've got this type of clean component for this areas that you just want to be able to get in there and take out dust or dirt or whatnot, which is really nice. You can see right here, there's got different type of additional components, including the USB-C cable. So it's really nice that it provides you that. Let's go ahead and try it out so you guys can see how it works. All right, so you can see right here, this is the MacBook Pro and this is the suction area. So let's go ahead and try it out. Oh, let me go see what happened here. Let me turn it on, turn it off. There we go. You can see right there, there's some dust. It's sucking the dust right out of there. You can see there's some dust right there. Let's go ahead and look at it. And you can also actually suck in different type of components from charging. So in my opinion, this is a very good product, very good quality. I will leave a link down below in the description so you may purchase it. Comment down below if you've tried this or another type of vacuum or suction component. Happy to review it here on the channel. Press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe for more videos with the notification bell, and check you guys out later. Thanks.